In most democracies, the law exists to protect citizens from power. But what happens when the law itself becomes an instrument of power? Today, we're not comparing leaders or parties. We're comparing systems and two very different ideas of what the rule of law means. In the European Union, the rule of law is treated as a shield. In the United States today, it is increasingly treated as a tool. This isn't rhetoric, it's structural. And it explains why recent developments raise eyebrows across Europe, even among long-time US allies. Under EU law and the European Convention on Human Rights, political power stops at the door of an investigation. If a person is killed by a state agent, an investigation is mandatory. It must be independent, effective, and prompt. Investigators must be structurally separate from those involved. Colleagues cannot investigate colleagues under political oversight. This grey zone rule exists to eliminate even the appearance of influence. In short, in the EU, law limits power. The United States was designed differently. The Constitution concentrates executive power in a single president, intentionally. But that power was meant to be balanced by Congress, the courts, and institutional independence. For most of US history, those buffers held. Recently, a more expansive interpretation has gained influence, the unitary executive theory. Under its broadest reading, the president holds direct authority over the entire executive branch. Investigators and prosecutors are treated as subordinates. This theory is debated and not settled law. What is unusual is how far it is being applied in practice. From a European legal perspective, the result is striking. Federal agents appear insulated from local accountability. Evidence can be withheld. Investigations can be stopped. What would be obstruction in Europe becomes executive discretion. The law advances in one direction and halts in another. Over time, systems adapt. Independent professionals are replaced. Institutions hollow out. Loyalty begins to outweigh procedure. In Europe, the law is sovereign. No leader stands above it. In the United States today, the boundary between political power and justice is thinner than it has been in generations. Systems reveal their values not in speeches, but in what they allow and what they stop. The open question is whether this is a temporary deviation or a lasting shift towards something new. What do you think? Leave your comments below, and thank you for watching Global Pulse. See you in the next episode.